Today is the big day of the eclipse, and I've come home to be with my animals. What the animals do during the eclipse. It is about 12:40 right now, and we're preparing to see what all the animals are going to do during the eclipse. So we'll see in a second. He's done starting to crow. We want to see if he crows after or before, and what he's going to do with his hens, if they go up in the coop or when it gets dark. You can go on out, sir. Get your girls together. We're in Tennessee right now, so this will be an experience to see what all the girls are going to do. What are y'all going to do during the eclipse? We want to see if the chickens go up, because it will be dark. Frankie could care less now. He just rested. You resting, Frank? But yeah, we'll get our chair, and right here is where we're going to be sitting. We're going to be sitting inside the little goat lot. And sad thing, our town did not have any glasses for us to really look. They were done sold out of everything, which we're in a small area. I figured you wouldn't be able to get... Well, he's crowing. This is unusual for him to crow. And I'm going to go get my little chair, because we're all going to watch, which I will be putting my little dogs up because I don't want them looking up at the sun. But yeah, we're going to get our chair and get ready for the eclipse. And I'm going to sit with my animals, all of them. And these girls are all kind of just hanging together in their little coop. Their little door is open, so everybody can go in if they do think it's night. See, their little building will be open for them to go in. And then their building is over here. Theirs will be open. Right there, both of their doors will be open for them to go up if they think it's time to go to bed. And then the ghost area is right there too, so hopefully everybody goes in with me and sits with me during the eclipse. Because we won't be able to film the sun, right, Frank? But we will be able to film the nighttime if it gets dark. And I did turn all my porch lights on, so if it gets that dark, we can actually see what's going on. Come on, let's put the chair in here. We're all gonna sit inside. See, we got a little area here. We're in here with the goats. And I'll make sure everybody gets some feed. All right, we'll get back to you here in just a little bit. See, I'll turn all my lights, my outdoor lights on in case it gets really dark. So we ain't totally in the dark during the eclipse. We will find out shortly. Is everybody ready for the eclipse? Huh? Everybody ready for the eclipse? Let me get it clear here. There is not a cloud in the sky. And I mean, it'd be totally visible, but like I said, we have no glasses and we will not be looking up at the sun at any time. I will show you the darkness though from the doors. And we will see what the animals do. So Frankie's wanting out pretty bad. He wants to hang with me, but I just don't want to let him out now till after this little episode. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Hello, everybody. Well, it is 1:15 and it's pretty darn bright here. It's not really started yet, but we're going to video what all the animals is going to do during this. Which we're going to put the little dogs up so they don't look up. But we're going to go in the goat building and sit. I've done got my chair, and we're going to watch the eclipse. Now, I haven't got glasses, so I won't be looking up. But I will show you how it gets dark and what's kind of going to go on. And I'll show you what all the animals are doing. Which right now, my roosters and stuff are all hollering and going crazy, and the ducks are. And my goats are all sleeping. They're all laying down. But we'll video it here in a little bit. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Come on, Fluff. You gotta go in. Come on, guys. It is 1:25, and look at where all my chickens are. They're all under the building. All my girls are going under the building. And the ducks are heading that way. But I'm sure they'll start trying to find their little coop when it starts getting dark. But yeah, they're all heading toward under the building. And Moses and the dogs are all right with me. And the girls are laying. And it is starting to get kind of cloudy, or I don't know, the sun's went down kind of. Not down, but it's not as bright as it was because it's been really bright. But we'll get back. Are you ready, Belle? You in the building? You're going to stay in the building?